Hi, I'm Daniel Attell. Today we're going to talk about how to enable the optimized idle feature on the Freightliner Cascadia sleeper and talk about some of the great fuel saving benefits. First off, what is optimized idle? Optimized idle is a great fuel saving feature. Instead of the truck constantly running to keep the cab cool or warm, the optimized idle comfort mode, once enabled, works much like a thermostat in your house. Whenever you set the desired set point, the truck will start up automatically, cool down, or heat up to the desired set point and shut it off, which conserves fuel in the process. When optimized idle comfort mode is not needed, there's another great feature to the system. It will monitor the truck's battery voltage, start the truck up, charge the batteries to their optimum level, and automatically shut the truck off again. This is a great feature to work in conjunction with the fuel-fired S-bar heater in the colder months. Additionally, the system will monitor the truck's oil temperature to start the engine up, keep it warm to prevent cold start issues in harsh winter months. Now let's get into how to set the optimized idle. First up, we need to make sure that the hood is closed and latched. The parking brake must be set. The transmission must be in neutral. Then, from the steering wheel quick access menu, select optimized idle, then OK. If interior comfort mode is needed, toggle comfort mode to on. For comfort mode to work, the sleeper fan switch must be in the on position. For battery or temperature monitoring, toggle the comfort mode to off and you're good to go. I selected comfort mode to on, so let's go set the temperature in the bunk. While the bunk thermostat is typically used to set the desired vent output temperature, this is how we set the desired temperature for comfort control. While not shown on the dial, all the way to the left is 60 degrees, straight up and down is 70 degrees, and all the way to the right is 80 degrees. Select the desired temperature and that's it. For more information on your optimized idle system or how to set it, check section 11 out in your owner's manual. For more maintenance tips, information about this truck, or our lease options, check us out at tel360.com or give us a call at 423-214-3910.